Welcome back, everyone. It's Annie. I hope everyone had a really nice holiday. I had a wonderful holiday myself, but to be honest, I'm glad it's behind me and I'm looking forward to a new year. Okay, so today we have another thredUP fun mystery rescue box. And this box came from, Swanee, Georgia. And it was, I think, $34 plus shipping and tax. So let's dig into them and see what we got. Now this box came a little bit smushed and ripped, so I hope nothing came out of it. And I hope nothing, if there was anything breakable, it's not broken. But I'm just gonna cut that. And I will give you, I will try to give you a first look. Let's see. Got some more tape over here. Okay, try this again. Okay, first look. There's the receipt. Let's see, when did I order this? December 19th, and I just got it yesterday, which was what, the 28th? Rescue box, fun box, should be 10 items, price $34, and I did have to pay shipping. Okay, we got another one of these thredUP gift cards, which you cannot use these on rescue boxes, which I was kind of disappointed in that, but I kind of think I knew that already. But if anybody wants to use the code, it's 3FZ6T. But this is good. They have some good items on their website. Okay. Ooh, looks like we have a flower pattern going here. Pretty. Very pretty. First look. Then I will put this to the side. Okay, the first thing we have looks like a little makeup bag. Looks like it's never been used. Let's see if I see a name anywhere. Estee Lauder. And this looks like something you get when you get the free gifts. You know, when you buy a certain amount, they give you the free gifts with all the little samples inside. That's what this looks like. But that's beautiful. I like that. And I'll probably keep that for myself. And with these boxes, sometimes you'll get some items in here that you can resell. But a lot of it I just keep for myself. I think the last box I did have a pair of gloves that were worth $150. So sometimes you get lucky and you're sent something of value that you can resell or keep for yourself. But most of these I keep for myself or give as gifts. And if you do give free items, if you resell on Poshmark or whatever, these will make good free items. Okay, we have a headband. And I do not see any kind of name tag. It's kind of a weird material, almost straw-like. But it's cute. Okay, we have a scarf. And I think I have gotten this scarf before. It looks very familiar. In one of my thredUP boxes. Just trying to see if I see any kind of name. And I don't think there's... I'll look over again later, but I just think it's a no-name brand scarf. It's pretty though. Okay, we have some no-show socks. And these are by White House Black Market. It's a good name. Let's see, they had to retail for $16.50 and then they were on sale for $9.99. And these I will be keeping for myself. You got a black pair, gray pair, white with a little bit of glitter. Okay, then we have some hair bands. The Bello accessories. 18 pieces. Some pretty patterns. Now we'll be keeping those for myself. Okay, next we have, okay, how do you pronounce this? Lagel. Socks, fits ladies, shoe size 4 to 10. Sock size 9 to 11, made in China. And they look like little bunny rabbits. They're cute. Be cute to put in a child's Easter basket, but I guess might be too big for a child. I don't know. But they are adorable. Okay. Next we have, it looks like pajamas. Roses. Let's see. Oh, they are cute. They feel good too. Let's see what name it is. Ooh, keep away from fire. Size large. Let's see. Renee Raffae. Short sleeve. They are cute. Compare at $26. They were sold $14.99. Those are adorable. I don't keep those for myself. I'll give to my mom. Okay, and next we have a pocketbook. Pretty. Look at there. Isn't that a neat design? It's kind of, it looks brand new. Still has plastic. Sorry guys, I'm still trying to get over that COVID, which I feel great. I just have some leftover congestion. That is a really neat asymmetrical, symmetrical design. Got a pocket there, pocket here. Now let's see what the name is. Now, there is a tag. There's the back. There's one little that looks like it will rub off. But it is International Concepts. $89.50 new with tags. Which if you were to resell that, you'll probably get $25, $30 if that much. But I really like that. That is adorable, which I do not do well with white pocketbooks. So I don't know, I may give that to a friend or I may resell it. We will see. But I really love the design of that. Gold detail. I really like that. Okay, and last we have a little bag. It's got a couple things in here. Oops, sorry if you don't like that noise. Make a good ASMR video, wouldn't it? Yeah. Okay. We have, wow, what are these? Oh my goodness. Guys, look at that. They are sunglasses? Okay, interesting. I don't see any kind of, oh, there's something written. Let's see. And of course, I don't have my GY. I'll have to research those numbers, but I don't know. I could be, you know, surprised, but I don't think this is anything. But I will research it. They look a little bent at the nose. They just look, you know, I don't know. Anyway, that's that. Okay. And then we have, it looks like a keychain, a heart keychain. And Brighton. Oh, that's awesome. Newer tags. I love Brighton. I have a couple of their pocketbooks and a pair of their shoes. So that I will probably keep for myself. Does it open? Let's see. Yes, it's a locket. How adorable. I guess that goes over there. You put the little picture in there. Oh, how adorable. I love that. Very nice. Let's see if it has a retail value. No, I don't think so. Floral heart. No retail value. I love that. Okay, let's see how many items. I don't know if I count that as one, but we'll go ahead. These count as 1, 2, 3 with the pocketbook, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got the 10 items. So what'd you guys think? I think it was a pretty good box. Let's see, the favorite, of course, was the Brighton locket. And I did like the pocketbooks. And so overall, I think that was a really good box. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.